But Tinubu don't make us now. We don't sew condom. Oh. They serve us for future. But man measure the height of this thing. Ah, Odogu, Afana, you don't come.
Shop, I don't come.
You don't see things people don't help make us with the on they do. Now we don't leave past our work on they do condom repair now. My signboard did that place.
I see him now. I see my come up.
Na polishing na be alignment.
Just do and polishing.
But na 3-5 oh, you know say condom don't cost from 15 naira now.
But I got nothing spare.
Ngwana, no
When
problem.
am I just go with them?
Okay, your measurement, let me your name, your measurement now. Okay, let's see. Ngwana, they go. Ngwana, bye bye you. Customer. Give my two customer. Ah, now your baby that.
Man, the woman.
Help
me arrange her. Alignment and grazing.
Alignment and grazing.
Yes.
I'm going now. You want use that this night?
For real now. No pee.
No shaking. 35. Okay. Bro. Good afternoon, sir. You are welcome to my shop.
No man here.
Yes, sir.
Durability beyond measure is my desire.
Oh, desire. I didn't see him for church again. No, die. Father died yesterday, sir. In die last year.
Desire.
No, they can't shop again.
Young elite. You are supposed to be an element of gospel vocover. You are supposed to know that I'm not talking
How
about
many times would they tell
someone. It's about the other one. You understand?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
So how do you work?
Alignment na 350. Patching na 400. Why gumming na 1000?
Okay. You do enlightenment and passion. I want me this one last for 6 months.
Okay, or na 3000. Na 3000. But because of you, I will give you 2,500.
Now 2,000 I will give you. May it last for 6 months.
No problem.
6 months.
No problem, sir.
Bishop.
Odogu kai na.
Good afternoon, sir.
I dey be na.
Very fine, sir.
Today we come and the motor happen. He bring something for me.
Bishop,
Your friend introduced you. Now my signboard be that, no fear. Now here be the last bus stop.
no problem. So I guess I'm supposed to say my show you.
Okay? I beg you, wetin carry for waist? I be the woman wey you wan enter in carry grinder inside wey devour this thing. Okay, fat I need to do again, abeg. Okay, I need to do again. Okay, this is under probability. What kind of okay? Okay, this is under probability now. Okay, I no fit do this. Okay, wetin you carry for waist?
Me, I don't arrange that, madam. This I can't take come this night.
The girl dey come this now. Why you come bring this thing for me? Okay.
No verse. I'm not getting money to buy new one. Now make I just help me repair this thing. Man, go bring money.
Okay, na 3-5. Because of you na 3-5.
Get that kind of money. If I get that kind of money, I promise I'll go buy new.
But guy, get na house no we carry. Like go down. Na 3-5.
Okay, I'm not get that kind of money.
2,000 last.
Oh yeah, they do.
I go down. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh boy, this boy thing big. We devour this condom. Oh, but Nigeria, save us, oh God, save us from Nigerian boss.